Hey plant lovers and nature enthusiasts, welcome back to Flora and Fauna. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of plants to know some jaw-dropping records. From the tallest trees to the smallest blooms, these botanical marvels push the boundaries of what we thought possible. So, buckle up as we count down the top 10 plant world records that are bound to leave you amazed. Number 10. The tallest sunflower. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the tallest sunflower. This towering beauty reached a staggering height of 30 feet, 1 inch. Grown by a passionate gardener in the Netherlands, this sunflower isn't just a sight to behold, but a testament to the incredible potential of nature's most cheerful flower. Number 9. The oldest living tree. Coming in at number 9, we have a record that's as ancient as it is impressive. Meet Methuselah, a bristlecone pine tree in California's White Mountains, estimated to be over 4,800 years old. This incredible tree has weathered countless storms and is a living witness to centuries of history. Number 8. The largest flower. At number 8, we have the Rafflesia arnoldii, known for its gigantic, foul-smelling bloom. This record-breaking flower can grow up to 3 feet in diameter and weigh up to 15 pounds. Despite its less than pleasant odor, it's a marvel of nature's design. Number 7. The fastest growing plant. In at number 7, we have the giant kelp, which holds the record for the fastest growing plant in the world. It can grow up to 2 feet per day. Found in underwater forests along the Pacific coasts, this plant is essential for marine ecosystems. Number 6. The largest seed. Number 6 on our list is the coco de mer, whose seed is the largest of any plant. Native to the Seychelles, these seeds can weigh up 379.7 feet tall. It's a true giant among giants and a symbol of the natural world's grandeur. And there you have it, our top 10 plant world records. From towering giants to microscopic wonders, the plant kingdom never ceases to amaze. Which record blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Flora and Fauna.